Yeah.
Hey guys, your boy 300 Mopar coming back with another little video. This is kind of a requested video. I've had a bunch of people keep asking me about the exhaust that I have on this car. So we're gonna make one more video on it and go into complete detail talking about everything that's done to it. Hopefully it answers everybody's questions. So I'm just gonna kind of get right into it. I'll see if I can't set the camera up here. I found a decent parking lot and do a couple, you know, flybys or whatever you want to call them. And yeah, so for those of you that don't already know, it is a 2015 Chrysler 300 with the 3.6 liter V6. It's the limited edition. It's not the S series or nothing like that. So the factory exhaust that was on it was 2 in. Well, it came 2 off the motor, and then it went into 1 pipe at the resonator. No, probably at the mufflers, and then it came back out to 2 and went into the resonators. So it is now completely true duals from the motor all the way back, with no resonators. The only thing it has is 2 Flowmaster Super 10s that are located where the mufflers used to be. I have no X pipe, no Y pipe, nothing like that. It's just literally straight pipes coming off of each side of the motor. So I'll see if I can't get down there and let you see a little bit underneath it, and then we'll do some rev ups and a little bit of drive-by stuff and let you hear what it sounds like. We'll go from there. So you can see 2 in, out. Then we come back here. You can see it. So you kind of seen it right there. It's literally straight pipe with 2 mufflers. That's it. I'm gonna see if I can set the phone up right here a little bit. I'll rev it up a few times. I'm recording it on the phone today just because I wanted to be able to upload this right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in it, rev it up a little bit here, and we'll go from there. Alright, I'm gonna try and make a tripod here. Alright, so there it is. That answers all your guys' questions. I guess if there is any other questions you got, let me know. But until next time, it's your boy at 300 Mopar. We're out. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button too. And leave some comments if you want to. So talk to you guys later.